Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to add stickers to a glass bottle in Photoshop. First, create a new layer for the background. Next, go to File and Place Embedded to add the object you want to add. Now make a copy of the background and place it above the inserted sticker layer. After that, select copied background layer and go to Image, then Adjustment, select Desaturate. Now go to Blending Options and select Linear Light. Finally, create a clipping mask. As you can see, the sticker has been adjusted perfectly on the bottle. You can see by zoom in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Netto Doch for more interesting Photoshop tutorials.